Reincarnation is derived from a Latin word which means derived word to take on the flesh again, simply meaning we live on life to go live another. The soul may take on the form of human, animal, or a plant, depending on the moral quality of the previous life's actions. Based on the cultural beliefs, it's an universal cycle of death and rebirth, which is governed by karma. Many religions have perceived the concept of reincarnations like Hinduism, Jainism, Islam, and Buddhism. Throughout decades, many cases which support the concept of reincarnation have surfaced, causing a strain in whether reincarnation is real or not.
One case surrounding reincarnation goes something like this. There was once a girl called Shanti Devi living in India. She unexpectedly, while she was 4 years old, she started talking about her home back in Mathura. So now the parents played it off as children's fantasies or something like that. And then as she got older, she started giving more and more detailed information about her home and the people back there. So, and as it turns out, her claims were actually true. So she said she was another girl who lived there, and she was able to identify the exact home and place where she lived. And while talking with the girl's family, it was found out that the accusations she said about dying at 11 years old at childbirth were true. So this is just one of the most compelling cases of reincarnation.
The second case is based around a 32-year-old woman named Uttar Hudar. When she was just a young child, she began to describe her past life. Her parents dismissed her claims as childhood fantasies, but they also failed to acknowledge her snake phobia and her weird attraction to Bengali culture when she was raised in a strict Marathi home. And it became concerning when at the age of 10, she started speaking Bengali out of nowhere. And her past personality, Sarada, claimed to be a girl who died of a snake bite. And Sarada, her past personality, was able to name 20 people she had known in her past life. And the third case is based around a boy named Gus Taylor. He claimed to be his grandfather who passed away before he was even born. His parents dismissed the claims as childish act, as he could have heard about his grandfather through conversations between adults. But it became concerning when he mentioned about his grandfather's dead sister who was killed in San Francisco Bay. No one really talked about it because it was a sensitive topic and his grandfather did not like to talk about it. So it unexpectedly became a case of reincarnation.